Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Grace. We are going to be working on lesson 2.2, so make sure you have these pages out in front of you. It is on page 81. You have these papers stapled together. It's the lesson 2.2 packet. It says explore three-digit numbers. We are going to be writing a three-digit number for a group of tens. So on this first page here, it says that Mrs. Rodriguez had 30 bundles of straws. There are 10 straws in each bundle. How many straws does Miss Rodriguez have? So each 10 here is a bundle of straws. So there's 30 tens here. So we're trying to figure out how many straws she has. So we are going to count by tens and group a group of tens to make 100. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this group here is 100 straws. Now let's do the next group of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here's another group of 100. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 as well. So now we can see how many straws she has all together. So we just circled groups of 10. 10 groups of 10 equals 100. So this makes 100 up here, 100. Then 2 100s, and then 3 100s. So our first number here is going to be 3 300s. We have 3 groups. And then how many straws is that all together? 100 plus 100 plus 100 are 300s is 300 straws. Remember, you can pause the video anytime. All right, we're going to open to the back. Up at the top, it says, what number is shown with 11 tens? So there's a picture, there's 11 tens here. So this is a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to group this group of 10, and we're going to write a 100 on top. And then here's 110 all by itself. So we have a total of 11 tens, 10, and that one is 11, which makes one group of 100 and 110, and altogether 100 plus 10 is 110. We could count this 100 and then 110. In the number 110, there's a 1 in the hundreds place and a 1 in the tens place. And there's 0 ones. All right, we're going to look at numbers 1, 2, and 3 together. We're going to count the number of tens. We're going to group them into hundreds and see how many tens are left out. So let's count tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 tens all together. So the group of 10 here, that first 10, is a group of 100. So that's 100. And then how many tens are not in that group of 100? 2 tens. And then we count those by tens. 10, 20. So now we have to put that number together. We have 100, 110, 120. So 12 tens, we start with 12 tens, is the same as 120. All right, my next one, let's count our tens. Go ahead and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 13 tens. We're going to take our first group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens is 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I don't even have to count them. I just know that 10 tens is 100. Now let's see what we have left. We have 10, 20, 30. Let's look over here. I have one group of 100, that one here. And then how many tens not included? 3 tens. All together, that's 100 110, 120, 130. So my number is 130. All right, for the next one, we are going to count the tens. Go ahead and count the tens up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now let's remember we want to group 100. So how many tens are in 100? Go ahead and tell me. 10! 10 tens in 100. So I'm going to take this group of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to group it, and that is 100. I have one group of hundreds. Now how many tens do I have left over? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. That's 10, 20, 30, 40. So all together I have 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. My final answer is 140. Remember, you can pause the video at any time, and I want to hear you counting with me. No, I can't actually hear you, but I want you to count with me. All right, so for numbers 4 and 5, you are going to do those on your own, 4 and 5. Count the number of tens, group 10 tens for 100, see how many tens are not in the group, and then find your final answer. We're going to do number 6 together. It says Saul has 130 baseball cards. How many baseball cards does he need so that he can have 200 baseball cards in all? He wants 200 cards in all. So how many cards does he need? That's what we're trying to find. He has 130 and he needs to get to 200. We're going to draw a quick picture of some tens and ones. We're going to go up to 130. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That 10 tens is 100. And then 110, 120, 130. That's what he has. So how many more to get to 200? So we have 130 plus some mystery number equals 200 in all. I'm going to keep counting. I have 100, 110, 120, 130. So that's 130. I'm going to keep counting. 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So let's see how many red ones I have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. 70 baseball cards. He needs 70 more to get to 200. Number 7 asks, Kendra has 120 stickers. If 10 stickers fill a page, how many pages can she fill? So she has 120. 10 stickers fill a page. How many pages can she fill? So we're going to think of the 10 stickers filling a page. I'm not going to draw a page of 10 stickers. I'm just going to use a long 10, a 10 to represent that. So one page has 10 stickers, so we can show that by using a 10. And we need to go all the way up to 120. So we're going to count by 10s till we get to 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was that group of 10 is 100. 10 tens is 100. And then 11, 12. She has 12 pages because 12 tens equals 120. All right, number 8. There are 16 boxes of crackers. There are 10 crackers in each box. How many crackers are in the boxes? So there's 16 boxes and there's 10 in each. I could draw a picture of 16 boxes and I could draw 10 in each. Or I could just do 16 tens, because that's what it's asking for. How many are 16 tens? Some of us could do some quick mental math, 16 tens. Or we could draw a quick picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I know this group of 10 tens is 100. And then I have 6 more, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 100 plus 60 is 160. Number 9. Simon makes 8 towers of 10 blocks each. So that's 8 tens. Ron makes 9 towers of 10 blocks each. So that's 9 tens. How many blocks did they use? So 8 tens plus 9 tens. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you're trying to find the answer of what 17 tens is. I want you to draw a picture. 1, 2, go all the way up to 17. See what number 17 tens equals. Or maybe you can do that mental math. If 16 tens equals 160, what do you think 17 tens equals? Number 10, Ed has 150 marbles. That's how much he has. How many bags of 10 does he need? So he has 200 in all. How many bags of 10 do you need to get to 200 if you already have 150? So let's think. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that equals the 150 marbles he had. How many more 10s plus how many 10s is going to give a total of 200? So there's a number there. Let's figure out how many more 10s to get to 200. Draw some 10s, 150, 160, 170. Draw 10s to see how many more you need to get to 200. All right, guys, I hope you had some fun doing some math with me today, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.